Yes, ladies and gents, I blew my account a few weeks ago. As you know, I already made a video about it. You can watch it on my YouTube channel. And I opened a new account last week or a week and a half ago. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I'm already losing 5% on my account, how I lost my previous account, and what I'm planning to do next. So, I'm guessing you are a beginner or you somewhat advanced, you somewhat profitable, and you want to learn something new or learn from my mistakes, or you're just here for the laugh. So whatever that reason is, I appreciate you coming here and watching this video. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Let's get on my Alpha Capital account. You can see I opened a new account on 14th of January 2025. And I went a little bit of profit, and then I lost the trades and opened new trades, etc. And then you can see I just keep losing, going down and down and down, and it got all the way to 95. Come on, it got all the way to 95, kind of hover around that area, and now we are all the way to 94, I believe. Yeah, we are 94.9 or 94.35. So not very nice to start the trading, new trading account on $100,000 account. But it is what it is. I still strongly believe I'm gonna get out of this. I don't see it as a big problem. On an evaluation process, on a step 1 and step 2, I always risk from beginning 1%. Once I lose 2 or 3 trades, I risk only 0.5%. If I'm already funded, as I had my previous account, I'm only risking 0.5%. I'm not gonna be crazy going with the funded account. I'm gonna treat my funded account very different. Let's look at the number of trades, 16, which is quite a lot, considering it's been 2 weeks and I'm doing swing trading. So I need to bring that down. 17% win rate, which is very low, but I don't really look at win rate stats. The reason being, I passed my step 1 and step 2 challenge previously with only 40% or 48% of win rate. So it doesn't really matter that much your win rate as long as you have a proper risk management. Now let's have a look what trades I'm doing this week or already did. So I've been already on the first trade, which is NZD/USD, and what I was planning to do is basically when you come back to this area, this is what I have here. I was planning to enter the trade, which I did, and I lost it. So you can see it was nice and break and retest. I thought it's gonna continue up, but you can see this strong bearish candle on a 4-hour. But even though I lost this trade, I still like it. So I'm gonna wait for either to do this on a 4-hour, so to come back from here, break above these previous highs, retest and continue up, or I will see how this candlestick going to close or not close on the 30 minutes. If you're gonna close above these previous highs, I'm gonna enter and continue up. But I would prefer to go on a 4-hour and on a 4-hour to break above these highs. USD CAD, I risk on a small position because I wasn't really sure about this one, and I was right, I wasn't very sure. And even that I still like this trade, kind of. You can see we were bullish on a daily, and then we made high, and then we made lower high, and then we made higher high, and we made lower high. Now we are kind of somewhere in the middle. So it's just going sideways, basically is doing nothing. So I will see what's going to happen. There's 2 things I'm planning. One is for this price to get to this daily area of resistance and then sell, or to go down under this area on the 4-hour and then retest, and I'm gonna sell. So there's 2 things which can happen. I'm also in I'm not in them, but I'm planning to enter these trades in the next day or 2 potentially, and that's GBP NZD. So we had a break above this daily resistance, and what I'm waiting for is to come back to this area on a 4-hour, to this area, then buy. GBP AUD, basically exactly the same thing as GBP NZD, just come back to this area and buy. NZD JPY, I don't really like these trades too much, but it's still not too bad. So I will see how it goes. I'm waiting for this price to come to this resistance on the daily and the 4 hour, and then sell. AUD JPY, it's pretty much the same trade. Usually NZD and AUD moving in the same direction. One is earlier than the other, usually most of the time. So we'll see how that goes. And then Euro JPY, pretty much the same thing. What I'm waiting for is just to come back to this. Oh, it's already there actually. So I'm waiting for the shift of structure to then sell. For now, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna go to the beach in Vietnam, here in Da Nang. Even that, it is super cold, it's 20 degrees, it's windy, it's rainy, it's not very nice. And for now, I'm just gonna be patient. I'm gonna sit on my hands, as they say, because that's what you have to do in trading. And I keep getting used to it. So, I have nothing else much to say. Thank you for watching till the end. If you wanna watch how I felt my previous funded account, trading account, you can watch it somewhere around here on one of the sites. You can click on it. Give me a like, don't give me a like, leave a comment if you have any comments. If you don't, then goodbye.